It's a wet and windy day, for sure it is. Currently we have a little break in the rain. Hopefully I can get to my location before it pisses down again. It certainly will. As soon as that wind drops, it'll be coming down in buckets, no doubt. The remnants of a hurricane, probably over the side of the Atlantic. You're getting some autumnal leaves now, and bracken foliage is turning from green to brown. It's feeling very autumnal today. That wind's just picking up as I come out the tree line. It's getting quite gusty now. Slowly plodding along today, not feeling like I have abundant energy, but you gotta keep going.